Dear students, welcome. In previous classes, we have solved a lot of problems in analysis of reactions in cylinders resting in a groove and ditch and channel under the heading of equilibrium of rigid body. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about supports and reactions in beams under the heading of equilibrium of rigid body. Beams, what are the types of beams available? Simply supported beam, one end supported by hinge support and another end supported by roller support. This is a simply supported beam. And then cantilever beam. In cantilever beam, one end fixed support. And overhanging beam. Overhanging beam. In overhanging beam, one end may be in support, and after the roller support, this is overhanging place. Overhanging place. And then another type of beam, fixed beam. Both end fixed. These are the types of beams, and supports in these beams are this one hinge support, and roller support. Fixed support, this one fixed support. Okay, these are the supports in the beams. So what are the types of beams? Simply supported beam, cantilever beam, overhanging beam, fixed beam. The supports are hinge support, roller support and fixed support. The hinge support offer two reactions. The hinge support offer two reactions. One horizontal reaction and another one vertical reaction. So the hinge support always offer two reactions. Two reactions. Roller support offer only one reaction. Roller support offer only one reaction. And fixed support offer three reactions. One horizontal force reaction and one vertical reaction, one anti-clockwise moment. So number of unknowns 3 in fixed support. In hinge support 2 unknowns. In roller support only one unknowns, one reaction. In fixed support 3 reactions. One horizontal reaction, vertical and anti-clockwise moment. So moment means moment equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. So these are the introduction about supports and reactions in beam. In next class, we will solve more problems based on supports and reactions in beams. Okay. Now another one important moment and also couple, one important one, couple. Couple means the plane or a place equal and opposite forces acting at a distance F upward and the distance is known as arm of the couple. Distance is known as arm of the couple. Suppose the distance A means the distance is known as arm of the couple A. So moment of the couple equal to F into U. So moment equal to force into perpendicular distance. Couple equal means equal and opposite forces act at a distance. These two forces parallel to each other. The moment of the couple F into A. A is the arm of the couple. Okay. Next, what are the loads, types of loads act on the beam? What are the possible loads? Point load. Load act at a point on the beam. Load act at a point on the beam. And the next, uniformly distributed load. Uniformly distributed load. The uniformly distributed load always represented by this symbol W, Newton per meter. Each unit length of the beam carries same intensity of load. Each unit length of the beam carries same intensity of load. Same intensity of load. The uniformly distributed load always, another way of representation symbol, this is one of the symbol of uniformly distributed load, simply represented by UDL, uniformly distributed load, UDL, uniformly distributed load. Another way of representation of uniformly distributed load, instead of this symbol, another way, it is also represents UDL, uniformly distributed. So both the symbol represents UDL, uniformly distributed. And then uniformly varying load. The load act on the beam varying uniformly. Load act on the beam varying uniformly. So UVL, this represents UVL, uniformly varying load. Load act on the beam varying uniformly.